Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we're gonna be talking about the outline of the courses that you're gonna be taking in your second year of computer science at Mulungushi. So you're gonna have 5 courses, right? So here are the courses you're gonna have. So you're gonna have discrete math, you're gonna have digital design, computer architecture, database systems, and OOP and Java. Oh, that's one course. Object-oriented programming and Java, that's one course. So let's break them down. In discrete math, you're going to be learning math, but logical math that's logically, no calculations, just logical math. Then in computer architecture, we're going to be looking at the architecture of computers, software, hardware, the layers of computers. You're going to go, in short, you're going to go deeper into stuff like RAM, ROM, processors, processing, and all that. Then you're going to have database systems, where you're going to learn databases, the systems in which we're going to store these databases. You're also going to learn SQL. So you need to learn SQL or go through SQL. That would be best before coming here. At least it will give you the basics. You understand the basics before actually attending one of the classes. So you're going to be one of those top-notch students. Then there is also digital design. In digital design, you're going to be looking at ones and zeros. This is where you're going to be having calculations in ones and zeros, of course. So you need to learn how to convert from decimal to binary, hexadecimal to binary. Okay, each of those conversions, there's decimal, binary, hexadecimal, and okay, the other one slipped my mind, but you need to learn those. Then lastly, we have object-oriented programming and Java. In here, you're gonna learn all the fundamentals and basics of Java. So while you're still at home, it would be best you start learning Java. At least you start learning Java, going through those some Java basics. At least to have a good preparation before you actually attend the classes. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, subscribe, leave a like, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos, and see you in the next video. Peace.